Hello students, this is Sonal Kame. I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Home Science of Srimati Radha Devi Goenka College for Women, Akola, Maharashtra. At the very onset, I would like to wish you all a very happy World Book Day. And on the eve of this World Book Day, I am starting my lecture series under the subject Communication Skills with the topic Reading Skills. Reading skills is very much related to the books, and hence I am starting this lecture series today. Communication skills is a subject which is not just related to one faculty or one person. Actually, it is related to all the faculty, students, and every person on this earth. We have to improve our communication skills and always. For this, I am going to start the lecture series today. To enhance our language skills, I would like to give you one example of computer over here. As we all know, in the computer, we have to input some sort of data and the computer processes it and gives us output. Same way for any language I mean by English, Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit or any language in this world, we have to give some input to this language. This input includes our reading skills and our listening skills. If we read and listen properly, then we can get out the outputs in the form of speaking and writing, and it will really help us to enhance our language skills. So my dear friends and my students, you might have understood that grasping the knowledge of any language is not that difficult if you are ready to give yourself this input of reading and listening. I'm sure that in a course of time you will really get an output of very good writing skill and speaking skill. Today I am going to start the lecture. In the first lecture includes of reading skills. In this lecture I am going to tell you about the definition and the mechanics of reading skills. It is a very useful lecture to all the students of all the faculties. So I request all the students over here, please do like and share this video among your fellow students and fellow colleagues so that they can gain the knowledge of reading skills. Here, now I'll tell you about the definition of reading skill. Reading skills is the ability of an individual to read, comprehend and interpret written words on a page of an article or any other reading material. Actually, इट इज़ द एबिलिटी दैट मीन्स इट वो एक क्षमता होती है किसी भी इंसान को, किसी भी इंसान की, कि वो कोई चीज़ पढ़ सके. वो चीज़ तभी पढ़ सकता है जब तक उसे उसके शब्दकोश या वोकेबलरी जब तक उसके डेवलप नहीं है तब तक वो अपनी रीडिंग स्किल को एनहांस नहीं कर सकता और वो एबल नहीं हो सकता कि कोई चीज़ को वो पढ़ सके. इसीलिए शायद हमें बचपन से शुरुआत हमारी वोकेबलरी एनहांसमेंट के ओर से की जाती है. हमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स उस टाइम पे इसीलिए पढ़ाए जाते हैं ताकि हमारी वोकेबलरी एनहांस हो, और इस एनहांस्ड वोकेबलरी के ज़रिए हम वो एबिलिटी डेवलप कर सके कि वी कैन रीड. एंड वंस वी आर एबल टू रीड, we are moving to the next step of comprehending whatever text we have read out. For comprehending the text, the prerequisite is just vocabulary with the right pronunciation, right meaning and right form of verb or word. Once you are able to comprehend whatever you have read, then comes the third step of interpreting the written words. Whatever you have read, you should be able to interpret it in the proper way the author has given you, or the teacher or any person who has written something to you. You should be able to comprehend and to interpret in the same way the person has given you. If you are not able to interpret the words whatever the person has given you, then the meaning of the whole sentence may change over here. So you should be able to, first of all, have the ability to read the things properly, then to comprehend and then to interpret, to avoid any sort of misunderstanding over here. So I would like to repeat the definition of reading skills once again. Reading skills is the ability of an individual to read, comprehend, and interpret written words on a page of an article or any other reading material. Again, reading skills leads a person to interact and gain meaning from written language. Unless and until a person has put the input himself of language through reading skills, he is not able to develop his vocabulary. And if he is not able to develop his vocabulary, then he will have difficulty in interacting with other people, because he is not able to put his words properly, he is not able to speak his words properly, because he has not developed that much vocabulary through his reading skill. And he cannot gain meaning from whatever the written language or whatever the piece of paper which is there in front of you, which you are reading, will not able to gain the right meaning out of whatever context you are reading. And if you are not able to get the right meaning of whatever context you are reading, then there is no use in reading such stuff. So you have to be very much precise whenever you are reading something, and interpret in the right way whatever the written words are there on the board. In every grade, it is important to provide three types of reading instructions. Right from childhood up till now, we should be given three types of reading instructions. The three reading instructions include: first is mechanics. Mechanics includes how to decode words. The uh, the meaning of the word is deep hidden within the word, so one should be able to decode the proper meaning of the word. If he is not able to decode the proper meaning of the word, then again misunderstandings may happen. So this instruction of reading of mechanics is very much important. The second instruction includes the meaning. Meaning means how to understand what is read. You should be able to understand what is read. For that, you have to practice with small sentences. You should read out small sentences loudly and should try to make out the meaning of these sentences, simple sentences. Once you are habitual of making and understanding the meaning of small sentences, slowly you can move on to a bigger sentence, and then you can move on to paragraphs and pages together. It is a slow process, but if you practice it right from now, it will be really very much helpful to all of you. The third instruction is about enjoyment. How to derive pleasure from reading. It is basically the psychology. It relates to psychology. It is differing from person to person. Many of the people are really very much interested in reading. They derive their enjoyment out of it. But many of the people are really not interested in doing so. They actually do this reading for the purpose of exams only, and after the exams are over, they just forget everything. But it is a very bad thing. It is really very alarming situation for the students. They should derive maximum meaning out of it and gather some sort of enjoyment and pleasure when they are reading. If they do so, I'm very much sure they will be able to recall all the things whatever they have read out. Many of us, almost all of us, still remember our nursery rhymes, because at that age we were really enjoying at whatever our teachers were telling us. We were narrating after them, but after the age of after entering the standards of second or third, we were able to read some small sentences, some small words, and which were really very much helpful, and still we remind of all that things, because all of us were deriving pleasure from that type of reading. So if we all try to derive our pleasure, try to enjoy whatever we are reading, and just don't do it for time pass, just do it for gaining some sort of knowledge, because each book is going to provide you some sort of knowledge. The extent may differ, but it is surely going to provide you some sort of good reading material, good gaining knowledge. So I would request you all to keep on reading, and Also tell you all to please like and share this video among your colleagues so that they will also gain the benefits of this reading skills. In this lecture, I have told you about the definition of reading skills and the mechanics of reading along with the reading instructions. In my next lecture, I will tell you about the benefits of reading. Until then, keep on reading. Thank you.